how deep it was on it?
Yeah. You disappeared.
Can he hop up that embankment to your left?
This one?
Yeah. Go back through the water again and then come back and see if he'll go up there for you.
Pretty slick.
Oh, is it? Well, pick one that's kind of doable.
Going up right here.
Okay. That's great.